So this is day 4. Everybody's having some kind of diarrhea or vomiting. This one, she just went back for her vomiting.
I vomited 7 times.
And brought Imodium pills for me. So what happens now is that we are trying to get to Sulaymaniya. All of us. So Sulaymaniya is my home city. I haven't seen it in over 5 years, so this will be really interesting. I hope none of us get any diarrhea or vomiting attacks. It's gonna take us 2 hours to reach there.
It's like a story, but in a hot way.
What's this place called?
Dukan.
Dukan.
Yeah,
So nice.
you can ride the boat if you want.
Oh my god.
So
This is a Swedish
very
song?
sad that I'm sick.
Jag kan
But I hopefully think that returning back to Sulaymaniya will make me good again. About entering my city.
I love your city. Just like I love you.
No.
So excited about entering your city.
I
I hope, but you're sick. It's okay. I'm yellow.
Okay. Why are we never in the pictures?
Yeah.
Oh fuck, we're not taking pictures.
We are on the way to Sulaymaniya with Evin, Banu, Shayan,
I don't know how this keeps happening. It's okay.
Rans, Nas, yes,
Yes.
and me, myself. We'll have lunch soon.
Yes, so we're gonna have lunch in Sulaymaniya.
Yeah, with all the students. We are looking, all the doctors. We are looking forward to this.
We're appearing on
I'm
TV.
very hungry. I want to eat fruits. But first lunch.
Why do you always do this kind of thing? I'm in Sulaymaniya right now. It's really weird because this is my home city. It's really weird. You heard in the background? It is a kalasher, or a rooster as you would say. So look at Evie. She got the money.
Chaviland with Cheyenne and Caesar. Say hi to my Snapchat. Hey Avi. Hey guys. The guys from IFM saying hey, here's Nasreen.
You can't say this one's Kurdish.
Yeah?
They call